Raspberry Pi 5 kit just got wild. ELECROW CrowPi 8GB is the ultimate STEM hacker rig. Ever felt like your brain's full of ideas but your tools just aren't vibing with you? You sit down to code, build something cool, or teach a lesson, only to waste hours fighting flaky setups, ancient tech, and a mess of tangled wires. Whether you're a STEM student, a curious coder, or a maker with mad dreams, nothing kills your flow faster than unreliable hardware. You're stuck rebooting, rewriting, and rereading error logs instead of actually doing the thing. You want gear that just works, inspires creativity, and makes learning feel like fun, not a chore. Yeah, we've been there. It's not just inconvenient, it's soul-sapping. Crushing deadlines, broken lessons, and failed demos that make you question your sanity. You're juggling too many variables. Wi-Fi that ghosts you, sensors that randomly stop, boot times that crawl like molasses. Your students lose interest. Your DIY build derails. You lose momentum. And worst of all? You know you could be light years ahead if your setup wasn't the weakest link. Missed opportunities, lost motivation, and that creeping maybe I'm not cut out for this thought. Nope. Not true. You just haven't met the right tech yet. Enter the ELECROW Raspberry Pi 5 8GB CrowPi kit, your new sidekick, classroom hero, and creative playground all in one sleek black case. This isn't just a kit, it's a productivity rocket with a brain. Powered by the blazingly fast Raspberry Pi 5 with 8GB of RAM, paired with a crystal-clear 9-inch touchscreen, camera, and 19 plug-and-play sensors, this setup is built for learning, experimenting, and showing off your skills. From weather stations to radar bots, it's like Lego for future engineers, with no mess. Plus, the lessons are beginner-friendly but far from basic. This baby's got brains and style. Ready to level up your projects and your brain? This kit's a beast when it comes to perks. Seamless plug-and-code setup, portable build quality, crystal-clear tutorials, and a gorgeous interface that won't make your eyes scream. Whether you're coding Python, building robots, or running IoT experiments, this is your launchpad. It even looks good on a desk. Yeah, aesthetics matter. Ditch the chaos and get back your creative control. Hit that play button to dive deeper into how this kit can unlock your inner tech ninja. Curiosity piqued? Good. You're exactly where you're meant to be. Don't just watch, act now before these fly off the shelves. Stock is limited and demand is high. Thousands of students, teachers, and tinkerers are already building smarter, faster, and cooler with ELECROW's CrowPi Raspberry Pi 5 kit. It's time to stop watching others innovate and be the innovator. Trust us, this kit punches way above its weight. Durable, educational, and future-proof, with glowing reviews and proven results. Worried it's too techy? Nah, it's built for you. Ready to rock STEM like a boss? Click buy now and start turning ideas into action. Your future self will thank you.